Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students which is developed in Odisha. Hope all of you have downloaded the app. If you have not done so, please download and enroll yourself immediately so that you will avail all the facilities at your fingertips. As in eTuition, we believe in quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Hope all of you have watched the previous videos related to polynomial. If you have not done so, don't worry. I have given the link for the entire playlist of all the videos related to class 10 in the description section. So after this video, you can go through the other videos also. So without wasting much time, let us start today's class. As you can see, today we are going to discuss the division algorithm for polynomial. Are you all ready for that? So let us start. So to divide one polynomial by another, follow the steps given below. So what is the first step then? Arrange the terms of the dividend and the divisor in the decreasing order of their degrees. Hope you know what is degree. Degree is the highest power of the variable in the polynomial. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? तुम लोगों को पहले उसको डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में उसको अरेंज करना है. सो इनडायरेक्टली यू हैव टू राइट इट इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. So what is the standard form of a quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c. Similarly, in case of cubic polynomial, it should be written in this form. That is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Correct or not? Okay, so this is the first step. So what is your second step then? To obtain the first term of the quotient, divide the highest degree term of the dividend by the highest degree term of the divisor. Then carry out the division process. That means you have to check the highest power of the dividend, highest power of the dividend. If the highest power is given to be, highest power of the dividend is given to be 4, suppose x to the power 4, and in your divisor you have the highest power as x square. So पहले क्या करना है? You have to divide this x to the power 4 divided by x square, and the answer will be your quotient. Your answer will be your first quotient. Then you carry out the division process as usual. Okay children, so this is your second step. Okay, so now coming to the next step then. What is the next step? The remainder from the previous division becomes the dividend for the next step. So after carrying out the division process as usual, whatever the remainder you get in the first step, that becomes the dividend for the next step. So repeat this process until the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. So these are the three steps which has to be followed unless and until you get the remainder value less than the degree of the divisor. Okay children, you understood? If you have not understood, it will be more clear when we will be solving problem on it. So shall we solve the problems now? Okay, let us start. So let us start the first example, that is divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. So what was the first step? You have to arrange the polynomial in the decreasing order of their power. So as you can see, already the first step is done for you. Already it is in the standard form. So step 1 is already over for you. So what you need to do is you have to write in the form of your long division method, how you used to write the dividend and the divisor. So let us write in that fashion. So I am just writing the dividend here. And what is your divisor? Your divisor is x plus 2. Correct or not? So what is the next step? In the next step, you have to divide the first number or first term with that of the first term of the divisor. The first term is of course is the maximum power, right? So here in this case it is 2x square. So 2x square divided by x. So whatever may be the answer, that particular number or the term, you need to write it here at the top, the question part. So you will get 2x square divided by x, that is equal to 2x, correct? That is equal to 2x, correct? Now, if you multiply 2x into x plus 2, so you will get how much? So 2x into x is 2x square plus 2 into 2x is 4x. Now, how you do in your division? The subtraction, so you will just subtract it here, then you will do the subtraction here, and you will get minus x plus 1. You will get minus x plus 1. So is the power of the remainder less than the degree of the divisor? Not yet, it is the same. So we can go further. So that is the third step, right? So what you do? Again you divide minus x divided by x. That is equal to how much? Minus 1. So that is equal to minus 1. So I will write minus 1 here. So now I will multiply this minus 1 into x plus 2. So I will get minus x minus 2. Correct? So what will be your answer then? So your answer is 3. So now just check this remainder with the divisor whether the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor or not. Yes, it is less than the degree of the divisor. So you have to stop doing the division here because now you have got the answer. So now it is in the form of what? It is in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So in this particular case, it is dividend is what? 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x plus 2. And what is the quotient you have got? That is 2x minus 1. And what is the remainder you have got? That is 3. So this is the answer. So in this case, your quotient is 2x minus 1 and remainder is 3. Okay, children? You have understood, right? So shall we go to the next problem? Okay. So the next problem is, so you have 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. So here first you have to arrange it properly and write it in the standard form and go for the division. So already your dividend is in the standard form. So I am just writing it in the standard form, that is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. And your divisor is not in the standard form. So let us write down in the standard form, that is x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so your first step is over. Second step, you have to divide by the first term with the first term of your divisor. So that is nothing but equal to 3x cube divided by x square. How much you are getting? That is 3 into x, right? So I'll just write 3x here. Now I will multiply this 3x with that of your x square plus 2x plus 1. So how much you are getting? You will get 3x cube plus 6x square, correct, plus 3x. Just check it once again. So x square into 3x, 3x cube. 2x into 3x, 6x square. 3x into 1, 3x. Correct or not? Okay. So now let us subtract. So you will be getting minus 5x square minus x plus 5. So this is your new dividend. Just check the degree of the new dividend and the divisor. As it is the same, you have to go further. So this is your new dividend. Again, just divide minus 5x square divided by x square. So how much you are getting? That is minus 5. So you write here minus 5 and multiply here minus 5 with all the term over here. That is minus 5x square minus 5 into 2x, that is minus 10x minus 5 into 1, that is minus 5. So now you subtract it. So this equal to minus 5x square minus 5x square, that becomes 0. This plus, this plus. So here you will get 9x plus 10. Now you just compare the degree of this and degree of this. Now as the degree of 9 plus 10 is less than degree, this is for your understanding I am writing, okay, is less than degree of x square plus 2x plus 1. So your step 3 is over. That means you have got your answer, and so here you need to stop. So the division procedure has to be stopped at this point, and 9x plus 10 will be remainder, will be remainder. So suppose I want to write it in the form of your what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So how I am going to write it then? So that is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 is equal to how much? The divisor x square plus 2x plus 1 into the quotient you have obtained, that is 3x minus 5, and the remainder, that is plus 9x plus 10. Correct, children? Okay, so this is your answer. So let us go to, so from this what you understood is if px and gx are any two polynomial with gx not equal to 0, then we can find polynomial qx and rx such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equal to 0 or degree of rx is less than degree of gx. This result is known as division algorithm for polynomials. Okay, so we'll solve some more problems then. So we have to divide 3x square x cube 3 minus 3x plus 5. So here both the dividend and the divisor are not in standard form. So rearranging the polynomial, we get what we get. First is minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. What is divisor? Divisor is minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay, so we get dividend as minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 and divisor as minus x square plus x minus 1. So let us go for the division. So I am going to write in this format. So first you divide by this, that is minus x cube divided by minus x square, and your answer is x. So you write down x here, multiply this x with the divisor, you will get minus x cube plus x square minus x. So this gets cancelled out and you get 2x square minus 2x plus 5. So here degree is equal to degree of the divisor. So you have to proceed further. So again you divide the first term of the new dividend with the divisor and you will get minus 2. Correct or not? So you write minus 2 here. So if you write minus 2 here, you will get 2x square minus 2x minus 2x, 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Correct? Correct or not? So you are getting, by subtracting, this is equal to 3. So your remainder is equal to 3. So now you have to check with your answer whether it is correct or not. So what is the division algorithm? So you have to check that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder plus remainder. Okay, so how much you will get then? So let us see. So what is your divisor? So your divisor is minus x square plus x minus 1 into x minus 2. Remainder is plus 3. So just multiply it. You will get minus x cube plus x square minus x. Then minus 2 you multiply. You will get plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2 plus 3. So what is your answer? So your answer is minus x cube plus 2x square plus x square, 3x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 5. So just compare this value with the dividend. Is it same? It is same, right? So you have verified the division algorithm. You have verified the division algorithm. Correct? So next problem then. Find all the zeros of 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So, if two of the zeros are root 2 and minus root 2, then x plus root 2 and x minus root 2 are the factors of the polynomial. Correct? So, we will write the same thing. So, as the two zeros are root 2 and minus root 2, as the two zeros are root 2 and minus root 2, then x plus root 2 into x minus root 2 are the factor of polynomial, right? So what about x plus root 2 and x minus root 2? It is a plus b into a minus b, right? So that is x square minus 2. So now let us divide x square minus 2 and your dividend already in the standard form, 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. ओके नंबर देख के डर में अब जाना, आंसर बहुत इजी मिलेगा. ठीक है, जितना बड़ा नंबर उतना छोटा आंसर. करेक्ट. सो लेट अस डू इट. सो 2x to the power 4 divided by x square. आंसर कितना? 2x square. So we will write here 2x square. Multiply this 2x square with x square minus 2. So you will get 2x to the power 4 minus 2x square into minus 2. कितना? Minus 4x square. So because I have written minus 4x square below minus 3x square, so don't get confused. I have written only because it is like term. Okay, so you have to write accordingly. Whatever the answer you are getting, you have to write below the similar terms. Then only your subtraction and part will be easier. Okay, so here minus, so this directly this minus 3x cube will come down and here this becomes plus. Okay, so your answer is plus x square plus 6x minus 2. So now you have minus 3x cube as the highest power divided by x square. So you will get how much? You will get minus 3x. Correct ki nahi? So minus 3x. You write down this minus 3x here and multiply the same with x square minus 2. So minus 3x into x square. How much? Minus 3x cube. Minus 3x into minus 2. how much? Plus 6x. Correct है कि नहीं? Okay. So now you just subtract it. So this got cancelled out and this becomes minus. So here minus minus, so this becomes 0, this becomes 0, so you are left with x square minus 2. Now what is x square divided by x square? It is 1, right? So I will write plus 1 here. So if you multiply plus 1, it will be the same one, that is x square minus 2, and your remainder is equal to 0. Correct? देखा, मैंने बोला था ना, जितना बड़ा नंबर आंसर उतना ही इजी है ना. सो यू हैव गॉट रिमाइंडर हियर 0. So here the first part of the question is over. So you have just found out the quotient of the division. Okay, so now what you have to find out? You have to find out the zeros. So how to find out the zeros then? Let us do it. Okay, so let us write down the polynomial here again, that is 2x to the power 4. So just we'll check it once again. Minus 3x cube, minus 3x cube, minus 3x square plus 6x, right, minus 2. Okay, minus 2 is equal to, what was your first factor? X square minus 2. What is your second quotient? Your second factor, you have got the quotient, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So we will write the same. 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Okay. So now what you have to do is, you have to factorize this particular quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term method. So what I will do, I'll just write down in this form. So x square minus 2. Now 2x square minus 3x plus 1. When you multiply, it is plus 2. When you add, it is minus 3. So can I write like this? 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1. Correct? So now you will get x square minus 2. So here you take 2x common, you will get x plus 1. Okay, so you will get x minus 1. So here you take minus 1 common, you will get x minus 1. Correct or not? You will get x minus 1. So now it is x square minus 2 into 2x minus 1 into x minus 1. Correct? X square minus 2 into 2x minus 1 into x minus 1. So what are your zeros then? So the zeros of the polynomial are root 2 and minus root 2. It was already given. And what are the two new zeros you have got? So the two new zeros are 1 by 2 and 1 respectively. So the zeros of the polynomial are root 2 minus root 2, 1 by 2 and 1. Correct? So this is how you can find out the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so what you did in this particular problem? First you have divided it, then you have found out the quotient, then you have expressed it in terms of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here remainder was 0. So after getting that particular term, you have to, if it is not in factorization form, the answer, or if the quotient is not in the factorization form, you have to factorize it by splitting the middle term method. Okay children, you understood this problem? So in the next class, we will solve the exercise problems. Okay children, thank you for your patient hearing and take care and follow us in YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Download the app. If you have liked the video, please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Keep smiling.